Are you looking to customize the size of your cells in Google Sheets? Whether you need more space for your data or want to tidy up your spreadsheet, resizing cells is a breeze. In this tutorial, we will show you how to adjust cell dimensions to fit your needs. Step 1. Open your spreadsheet. Enter the Google Sheets document where you want to change cell sizes. Step 2. Adjust column width. To change the width of a column, move your cursor to the line between two column headers until it turns into a resize cursor. Click and drag to set the desired width. Step 3. Adjust row height. To change the height of a row, move your cursor to the line between two row numbers until it turns into a resize cursor. Click and drag to set the desired height. Step 4. Set specific dimensions for precise measurements. Right-click on the column header or row number, select Resize Column or Resize Row, and enter the exact pixel size. And there you have it, cells size just right. If this tutorial helped you shape up your spreadsheet, please like and subscribe for more Google Sheets guidance.